horsepower. She was not happy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got fire. That's not good. We need a fire extinguisher. We need a fire extinguisher big time. Okay. Oh, it was, brother. It was.
It's all the raw
What
fuel.
happened?
It's all fuel, no boost.
Yeah.
Well, I saw 5 pounds on the dash. My eyes are burning.
There was a lot of methanol floating around just now.
It hated that. Let me look at the boost gauge, see if we got anything outside.
Okay.
Because I was reading 5 pounds on the dash.
Interesting.